Hi guys, guess where I'm going? It's probably not a surprise since you just saw the intro, but today I'm going to, you guessed it, Great Wolf Lodge. And so it's like really cold outside, but we're going to be there swimming because they have an indoor pool. So I have my little wolf ears on. I have my little pants, my cute little Christmas sweatshirt my mom got at like this vendor place or something, but it's so cute. And I packed my luggage, it's over there. I'm just gonna go upstairs, grab my iPad, and I think we're about to head out. The cute little elves, this morning they made us a little sign, and they gave us these little wolf ears, and they put themselves in this little jar so you can carry them around to go to Great Wolf Lodge with us. So you'll have to come with us. I'm gonna give you a whole entire vlog, like everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and children Luca really quick. So just so y'all know, my children is literally a hamster, which is Luca, who I'm about to feed, and then I'm gonna go downstairs and feed my other child, who is Romo. And I just call them my children because they're my pets and I love them so much. I'm gonna go feed the other child. Okay guys, so we're on the car. We're gonna go pick up my dad and then go straight to Great Wolf Lodge.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hey, run away.
We just picked up my dad. Dad, say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Bo, say hi to the vlog.
Hi, what's your name?
Wait, tell them the elves' names. The girl is,
Maria
and the boy is,
and
and the chocolate chip. Then Becca back there, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Mom, say hi to the vlog.
Hi, Mom.
We're here.
Yes, city.
So we're here now, and we got our suitcases. We're in. Oh gosh. Look at the beautiful tree.
They truly didn't go.
Paper said.
What I love about this place is in the water park, it's heated in there. So it's like so warm in there and it's so nice.
Oh, wait, rest.
Somehow I'm stuck with the elves. I'm not carrying them.
Almost there.
I'm gonna show y'all. That was specific.
Okay.
We're at the room, but y'all cannot see the number. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're heading in. We have like a whole little room.
We never had one of these before.
Oh god, how am I gonna sleep? Here's my bed. Bo said he was gonna sleep on the couch. I knew there was gonna be a microwave. That's why I brought hot chocolate. Oh my gosh, every time we try to open this, but it's like not supposed to be open. We finally have a good view. Finally. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at the cattle. Or like horses, whatever those are. Do you guys see that? Okay, so here's my bed. It's very tiny. And then Beckham's bed is up here. So this is technically like our room, and it has like a window and everything. And then we have a TV. Right, Beckham? Oh god. Okay guys, tour. So here's our little closet, the bathroom, which we're trying to figure out what's wrong with the toilet. The like other half of the bathroom where like we put all of our little essentials, right, Bo?
Yeah.
Then we have a little kitchen, and then in me and Beckham's room. Bo didn't want to sleep here. We'll show you where he slept in a minute. So this is the outside area. Then you walk through. We got a TV. Beckham's sleeping up, and then I'm sleeping down here. Oh, he just jumped. Then like this is like little room. Bo, you jealous? You don't have a TV in your room. Huh? Okay, and then this is the main part. Okay, but you have to share that with mom and dad. My mom and dad's bed. Bo keeps on carrying around the elves even though he made me carry them around. But this is where he's sleeping. So yeah. What? You're turning into a cat? I kind of feel bad. They look really squished. But I got an adult one so that I can use my mom's credit card and...
Oh, hold on. This one's just room and play, yeah.
Okay.
Aiden Riddle. This is from Aiden Riddle. He's in the
Name bombing. Jeez. From not the ranch video, so go check that out. I'm gonna like do my suitcase right here because yeah. So I brought all my like essentials. I put all my skincare and like other things in here. And then in here's like all my makeup. I'm gonna make sure nothing got smashed. Jewelry, all that other stuff. Oh yeah, and this is like my snack. I made it myself. It's a little chutney. So I'm gonna like unpack my little linen bag. What do you want? Okay, hold on. We're back and we brought, I'll blur out any of Beckham's underwear, but we have all the stuff. So I brought my little stuffed animals I always sleep with. Hot cocoa powder. And then I brought my little blanket and this little sketch pad thing.
Why did she have to wear?
Beckham's insulting this girl because she's wearing Crocs on the hike. That's the first thing he noticed when we walked in. We all have cute little Christmas slippers. Those are Beckham's. I'll show you. Y'all have already seen mine. Guys, be prepared. I'm going to make a lot of YouTube shorts. Like, I'm going to make one now. I'm so happy there's enough room for me to do my split jumps without any boys distracting me. Stop, bro. That was so bad. I need to stretch for. Why do you have a donut in your mouth? No, our stuff's there. Please don't do that. No, let's not. So we're all losing patience and the boys are falling onto the ground. And then we're heading. So now we're heading to the water park. That's what I was saying earlier, but.
Is it one? Or lobby? One or lobby?
Bro, you're smashing the snacks. Kid almost got stuck.
3.
Wow, it's so magical. Oh, this is different than the other entrance. Oh, this is the downstairs part, Mommy. So you have to go through the downstairs part to get to the water park and all the games, so that's where we're at. So this is where you get food, and Beckham thought that's where you get eaten by a wolf.
It's a hungry wolf.
Oh, dear.
I'm gonna go in there.
Oh my god, it's Build-A-Bear. A little mine area where you can mine stuff. Arcade. And we're getting there's little boo-boos, Beckham. What? No, Beckham, the water is gross. That's where you clean off jewels. We're here. Yeah. Walking through. Oh wow. Not like we've been here a million times. It is so hot in here. And like we're sweating because we're on sweatshirts. Except I took mine off. Are you ready?
Yeah, wait.
No, you're selfish. You're always getting into some mischief. Alright guys, so we're heading out and we're gonna go swim and do some water slides and stuff, so see y'all in a bit. I'm gonna go record us in the like wave pool, so let's go. So we found Channing and we're going into the lazy river now. Not lazy river. Oh god. Becca's telling me not to bring my phone in, but like I'm not going to go deep with it. But like look how big these waves are. God. I kind of got a little scared having my phone out in here because I was scared like a lifeguard was gonna see me. So I'm gonna go put my phone down, and everybody's staring at me in this water park. So like, so we just got done with the water parks, and here's Knox. Go sub to his channel.
Thank you. Subscribe. I need more subscribers.
Say your name. Say your name.
My name is the Vacuum Dude too.
Go subscribe, you guys.
Please.
Oh guys, if you haven't checked out my new YouTube story, go try it. But on the water slide, I lost a flippin' earring. I'm so mad. They were so cute too. I'm so angry. But my mom just ordered us Chipotle, and so we're just waiting for that. My mom's being responsible and ordering us food. So, right, Mommy?
Yes.
We keep losing Bo. He's the last one in the pools, and we already did like the water slides and stuff. So like, he's the last one. He's right there. Oh, just so y'all know, Knox is not my boyfriend. He's not. We're just family friends. Just so y'all know, I did go to school today, but it was a half day, and tomorrow I don't have to go to school. So like, yippee. So we're gonna come back tomorrow, but right now we're heading back to the hotel room. My dad's picking up Chipotle. Me and my mom got Chipotle, and the rest of the boys got Chick-fil-A. So we're gonna head back out. So let's go. You're so mean. They made like the park's about to close, but they made the kids get out early. It's because someone pooped in the pool. That's disgusting. So this keeps on going on, and it's saying there's been an emergency in the building.
Hey.
And we're honestly kind of scared because we're all getting ready. I'm brushing my hair.
Gina.
And this keeps going on. It's really
You're on
bad.
there?
Oh my god. Guys, oh my god. So the firemen are here and stuff, and like the...
Hey, get your...
Are you scared? No. It's gonna be okay. So we're with Knox, and he came all the way here, and now we're going down the stairs. Okay, now we're going down because there's like fire plate people here, and there's fire trucks. I got my stuff because I got scared. Guys, this is getting so scary. Like, y'all don't understand how scared I am right now. Guys, I have such bad anxiety, so I'm about to pass out right now, and it's really bad. There is chaos going on, and it's really bad. I'm scared. Guys, I do not know what to do. I'm so scared. We're gonna go watch, like, whatever this is, so.
It's very special. Why have I never seen it before? Perhaps it wasn't.
I'm waiting for my food. I'm hungry. I'm bringing the kids to, like, this little, like, tree house looking thing, so. So I don't know if we even close our door to the hotel, and we have a lot of our stuff in there, and we need water too because my dad's about to get here with our food. So we're gonna head upstairs, see what's going on, and figure it out.
Wait, we're 8.
Yeah, we're gonna have to walk up.
8009.
Let's go up the stairs because it's safer. I don't know about the elevator because I don't know if there's a fire here or not. They haven't said anything. Alright, we're going up the stairs because we're kind of scared that the elevators might like shut down on us because the firefighters are still here. So. We don't really know because it was on our level 8. That's why the alarm was going off a bunch. Guys, there's so many stairs.
Elevator stopped working.
We're in the room. Just like ran up 8 flights of stairs and it was not fun. We found Knox too.
The elevator did stop.
Our food is here. Look at all of that food. Guys, I got my meal. Ew, why are you giving those to me? I don't like pickles. Stop. You're ruining my video. Here's my meal, guys. Mommy, what'd you get?
Just got a little rush of
A veggie bowl.
Beckham, what'd you get?
You had no queso or...
We got fries and I got chicken. This is 10 hours.
Okay, I got a little Chipotle bowl. Belly, did you get mac and cheese? And chicken? Did you get chicken? Yeah? Dad, what did you get? Spicy chicken sandwich? Yummy. Why is he the way he is, bro? So we went back to the room and we got our little wand and our little book to do the little wand activity. Boopity boppity boo. So we're trying to use our magic, but we have like old wands but like they're like working, but like they're not. So we're going to the first floor to the shop because I have my wristband on for money. So we're gonna go upgrade my wand to like play the game. So Beckham's is always already profiled for free just to like light stuff up. So like.
What the game currently is, but some folks can find the in-game maps and such to be a bit more technologically difficult.
We're waiting in line to start our quest, right, Beckham? Oh gosh, your head turned it on. We're so close. The last time we came here, it was like a different version, so we didn't know how to do it. So this time it's a new, so let's hope it's a lot easier than last time. Right, Beckham? All right, let's let the journey begin. Sorry guys, if there's like a little blur right here, I have a phone charger. Oh.
Where did you come from?
Becca. Wow, it's beautiful.
Next, go next. Parker, I think you go here.
I want to do this. Okay guys, so we found 3 crystals, but we need 1 more to move on to the next level. And I found 1 thing for the next level. So we're gonna try to find the red crystal. Alright, so we kind of gave up on the quest. But like, we didn't give up, but we got a little bored. And now we're gonna go ask my mom, because they left us alone, and so we're just walking down. And we're gonna go, I'm gonna text her and ask her if we can go get ice cream, So someone was trying to get in, and then we didn't know what to do, and like it started closing, and we didn't know how to open it. So it's like 9 o'clock, and we just went to the arcade, and we got like a million of these little things. We charged for other things, but we didn't have a lot of money left. So. Alright guys, so I did not eat like anything earlier, so I'm gonna eat rest of my chocolate bowl and like watch my iPad for a little bit. So, well, good night guys. Bye. See y'all in the morning. Alright guys, so we are on our way to go downstairs and get Starbucks for our breakfast. So let's go. We are here. So we're waiting for our drinks, and I told Beckham to come back here, but he's just standing in the front. I'm so patiently waiting. We have 1 drink, and my dad took my mom's drink. My dad's drink, Beckham, Bo's, and then mine. So drinks are here. We just need our food, which is taking forever. So we're like in the lobby. Beckham got our food, bagel and butter croissant, and then the drinks on the ground. So I'm filming. So they spelled my name so wrong. So whenever we were getting it, like we didn't know. My dad ordered my mom a coffee too. So we were confused on what like to get, and another girl who had a name like really like close was so confused too. So, but it's fine. And then I got a little croissant, and I got like the caramel cappuccino. Bo has a tall vanilla bean. Beckham has a tall vanilla bean and a bagel. And my mom got a coffee, and my dad got a coffee. So I rate my caramel frappuccino a 10 out of 10. It's so good. And then my croissant, it's definitely a 9 out of 10. Beckham, rate your food. What's your food?
I got the bagel, 10 out of 10. It's so good. That frappuccino, well, it's the go-to. It's 10 out of 10.
But what do you rate it? 10 out of 10. And my mom probably rates her coffee like 9 out of 10 because she needs it. Okay, so I just figured out my friend is gonna go ahead and after school today, she's gonna come and she's gonna hang out. Just so you know, I am skipping school today, but we got changed and we're about to go to the water park and stuff. So yeah, but I'm gonna make a little YouTube short really quick, so yeah.
So we're like about to get kicked out of the room. Right, Mama?
Yep.
So we're just waiting for my dad to grab like the last little bit, check the hotel room one more time. I think I'm gonna go get another Starbucks because I wasn't finished with it and my dad threw it away. So I'm gonna go get another one.
Bye, room.
Megan, I'm gonna start first of all.
Oh god, that was so
Bye-bye.
I just saw
We're in again, and after this clip, we might add some clips of like the water and stuff. So, guys, I went on a bunch of rides and stuff, and now I'm just relaxing and stuff. So I'm waiting for my friends. So. Okay, guys, I'm back with Raleigh, and we just had our sandwiches and Doritos and Sprite. So we're gonna go on some slides and throw up our food. Yeah, kind of scared. Oh, guys, so we just went on a million rides, right, Raleigh?
Yeah, it was a lot.
So in like the little clothing store, they might have like this little waterproof thing, according to Raleigh.
I wanna
we're
go.
We're gonna go see.
Let's
There's
go.
one in there.
Let's go.
So I just got it. That's what I'm filming in right now. So yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna go test it really quick. Oh god, I'm scared. So I just tested it out, and my phone's all wet. But Raleigh is gonna test it out too. She got one too. And guys, the lady was so nice, so sweet. She let Raleigh not have to pay anything 75 cents, and it was so nice. Guys, I can literally, no, don't dunk your phone. I can literally just be in the water, and it's like safe. This feels so awesome. I'm scared. All these kids are staring at us. No, don't dunk it.
Dunk it.
Oh god. Guys, look at the water. Did you just actually dunk it? Yeah. Did it get your phone wet? Oh no. Oh guys, now I'm gonna go under the water. She dunked like the opening part and no water got it.
Everything. I got it on
God.
video.
Actually, yes. I actually edit this video. I'm probably gonna put Raleigh's video in next. So we're going on like one of like the scarier rides. We're not gonna go on the really
It's one of the
scary.
biggest rides. We're not going on like the tornado because that's like too like child. Like
Yeah, the tornado is like, it's like if you don't hold on, you're definitely flying off.
which I'm fine with that because I don't hold on either way. But we're gonna like
But we're gonna go on like the river run one, so
if they look at my phone the other day and he's
the line is so short. So I think we're gonna have to go with them because we're just a group of two. So
Alright, like a bit too.
yes. My phone's tilting.
Alright, you guys ready?
yeah.
Okay.
I don't get in the video. I want to get in the video. Hi, video. Hello, video. I'm here from Caramel, but I'm about to send you guys down.
Okay. Thank you. Let's hope we don't get stuck. You fell. After that one, we're going on the tornado, so. And Rolly fell. She like fell into the other kid, and the other kid was done with us. No, they were so done with us. It was so bad. They were like, the second Rolly fell into the other kid, he was like, oh, look, why are we on these girls?
Bro,
And we-
I went
Yeah, Rolly fell. And then we were like going on, and we had them cracking up. And the kid next to me, he was like on. And not so I might like put Raleigh's video in if she holds on the whole time. So the line is kind of long, so we're just kind of doing our own thing. Like, I can drop my phone, guys. LOL, JK.
What? We're talking in the autistic family. So Ryla's the adopted daughter.
Oh.
I'm the.
She's not gonna drop names this time.
Yeah, my bad. I'm like really bad. I think my phone just died. Never mind. So I'm talking
Talking the autistic family.
I'm the autistic daughter, someone's the adopted daughter, and then my mom and my dad.
Who's the guy? I'm so scared, guys. I'm like so scared. So worried. I do not want to be in the back. If I'm in the back, I'm gonna scream bloody murder and cry.
My foot is bent.
Yay! No! I'm not in the back. I'm not in the back.
My hands are up. Are you videoing me?
Yeah, I'm videoing you.
I'm videoing you.
I'm holding on with my own.
I saw you.
Rolly, Russell! Oh God, I'm in the back! I just got tripped! I know what to do! I'm holding my phone. It's stupid! Rolly's... Rolly flew out! She was not holding on the drop and she just like flew.
And then this is when you get soaked.
I was screaming, Rolly Russell! She doesn't agree, but I want to go on this green one.
I just agree
right
with you.
here. Rolly, you just threw it at me! LOL, just got the tube. She almost dropped her phone. And wait, how would you drop your phone? I'm so confused. We're going on that green one. Say it to my video.
Oh, what?
This is her first time going on the green water slide.
Yeah.
And she's filming her reaction. These little rascals came up. I'm gonna film on my phone later. Oh, stop getting in, guys. Okay. Oh God. Oh gosh, ow. Don't look at ready? Yes. Bye-bye.
Oh my gosh.
Now we're going. I was not expecting that. Oh my God, I'm just getting so. My butt hurts so bad.
We're going backwards. Wait, are we?
Are we going backwards or forward? Guys? Guys? Oh Lord. Ah! That was such a big scream. Guys, we're getting out. Hey. Oh, I didn't get the video of them coming out, but. Oh. Beckham!
Here we go.
Oh. They just came out of the water slide and we're showing them the video of the... Okay.
Don't mind like my feet. Like I flew out of the thing.
Okay, so Beckham is going down with us. Channing is scared. So, cheer him on in the comments, guys. It looks like Boss Baby. Actually, no line, guys. Oh, there's a line. Yes.
And you read them at the safety guidelines.
Thank you. Beckham? Beckham, stop screaming like a baby! Everybody comment Beckham's a baby! a baby because he was screaming like a baby. We're going again.
I should probably just film this.
There's no line again, guys. We're so lucky. Oh my god. He also runs like a baby. Be like Raleigh, and she watches all my videos. For my video, Beckham. If I'm shaking, it's because I'm shivering. YouTube.
No, that's not the right video, you big.
Positions. I'm holding on with my right. Yes. Bye. Beckham, you're not going in the back. You're not heavy enough.
My name is Jack. My name's Jack the Rapper.
Oh, yes.
My dad played in the NFL.
Yes.
Every day I look at your post to make credits.
Okay,
Oh.
what is the name of your YouTube channel?
I'm gonna film my reaction.
No
Film my phone. No, film my phone.
There were 350, like 8. Jack and Beckham on the slide, so we'll see their reaction.
I'm just gonna leave my phone quiet.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna leave my phone quiet.
Yes.
If you go backwards.
No, if I go backwards, I'm actually. You're right. Rolling backwards again.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop my phone as soon as we get to the top.
So like, yeah. Where do you want to go? Disney plans are gonna go to the hot tub and then get changed and run around.
Well, I don't really know if we should get changed.
Yeah, because I don't want to be area. Two
want
people
ice
have
cream?
pooped in here. Isn't that gross?
I want ice cream.
By the way, I'm gonna walk them through here. Wait, hold up. You're getting in. It's hot in here. Bye, y'all. My phone like. Oh my god! I just ran straight into Raleigh. Okay guys, so we got changed and we got some drinks and the cake pops, but the cake pops are not good.
It should be like the first thing.
What I got this morning, Raleigh brown. It's a caramel frappuccino if y'all want to try it. And then what did you get, Raleigh?
I got a strawberry acai lemonade. Hey.
Tax. Okay guys, so I got cake pops. And Raleigh's about to leave. Alright guys, so Raleigh, I'm gonna use my drink to hold. Raleigh so sadly left and she ate like her cake pop on her way out. And I'm just eating my cake pop by myself and drinking my drink, so yeah. I'm so bored, so I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna go, the traveling phone charger, and then I'm going to get my wand and start lighting stuff up because I'm bored. I'm so lonely. Alright guys, so I picked up the Sam, and now we're going to head out, very sadly. Beckham really wanted a Starbucks drink, so we got him one. She spelled my name wrong so bad.
Chances that Bo's gonna drop that.
Bo got Dippin' Dots. He got icy flavored, right, Bo? Looks so good.